Anchor stretching clamps are special fastening elements for the reliable fixation of optical cables of various types on poles. The anchoring constructions do not require any special skills for installation, are used without any restrictions, and allow for completing the cable installation in a short time. The anchor tension clamp consists of a high-strength body to protect the connections, wedges, which are reliably and tightly secured to the body, wire ropes made of robust stainless steel, installation does not require any preparation or additional tools. Installing the clamp on the support, partial insertion of wedges into the housing, cable entry, clamping the cable, installation of the steel loop, tensioning of cable, resulting in firmly and reliably fixed wedges to the cable wire.